Hey everyone, it's me Katie again, and today we're going to be reviewing the new theme. I just bought VIP and should have a video out of that. Sorry, I got some chips next to me. I already saw the background and it's gorgeous. It's so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love their Easter themes. I love them. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Chickens and bunnies. Oh goodness. That's precious. These are adorable. They always go. I feel like MSP always does such a good job though with like holiday themes, like Halloween, Easter, Christmas, Fourth of July. I mean, all of them are always so good. Oh, the diamond one's gorgeous too. I had to get it. I think this one's probably, oh my gosh, the most casual. And that's cute too. It's a little more simple. We have a lot of bouquet ones, but that one's really pretty. Let's see what animation we want. I really love the bunny one. And the meadow's cute. I'll probably just use the fence one, I think, for now. Like, I bought the animations, I really only ever use like one or two in the week. But these are really cute ones. Alright, Fabulous Farm. Let's see. That hair is kind of cute. This is cute. I feel like we've had this before. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous though. Oh my gosh, look at this hair. Oh, that is gorgeous. I'm sorry, I'm like fangirling, but this hair is so pretty. And this hat would probably only look good with this, wouldn't it? Yeah, that hat looks really good with this hair. That's it. Oh, that's kind of cute. It fits this hair really well. Sorry, I hope this video isn't too long. I'm I'm trying to do more videos with my voice, obviously, but I don't. Oh, that's so cute. Um, I might want to make it too boring, I guess, for everyone. Where, oh, gosh, gorgeous. Where, oh, mud. I love that. I don't want to make it too long where everyone gets bored because I'm not that funny. Like I can say that. I'm not that funny. Oh wow. What is this? Why is it 50% off? I'm so confused. This is really pretty. Oh wow, we are getting this. I don't know what this was from or why it's there, but it's really pretty. So cute. I'm guessing maybe just certain stuff is kind of on sale. 8 pages though, wow. I mean, some of it's old stuff, obviously. It always is, but still, that's like a Christmas theme for 8 pages, you know? So I think I am going to do this hair. get some bottoms. So I'm probably gonna keep on the boots I got from the Diamond Pack, that are my VIP, because it's so cute. I don't know if I need bottoms with this, but we're gonna buy it because, yeah. And then, oh, they're bunny shoes. I didn't even see that. Alright, this look isn't anything fancy, but I thought it's super cute. I just need a head accessory. I'm trying to find some long socks, really. Oh, no, I don't want this. Take it off. Change my mind. Are any socks longer than these? Oh, these are kind of long. Because I want them to poke out through the boots, I think would be kind of cute. Um, yeah, I don't know. Oh, goodness gracious. That's so, I'm like freaking out. I'm so sorry, everyone who has to listen to me. Right, find a headwear. All right, so this video is now 7 minutes long. It's gonna be the death of all of you, but honestly, thank you so, so much for watching. And if you could, please subscribe to me. I'm really trying to be more active on my MSP and my YouTube because, I mean, it's fun. And I can't wait to do everything for you guys and have so, so much fun. Gosh, that top is so pretty. Why? I feel like okay, so I've seen this before, but I don't remember that top. But it was gorgeous. Wow, okay, with my caps lock on. There we go. Okay, thank you guys so, so much for watching. I love all of you and have an awesome day. Bye, guys.